Welcome to Tool Spec. Today I'm cleaning my ensuite bathroom and I thought we could try the power scrubber from Ryobi. I don't know if we can see it in the video, but there is lots of hard water stain on the shower glass. This is the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus. This is a power scrubber that I got from Direct Tool in Canada. It's blemished, so the color might be off a little bit. This apparently is supposed to be able to run for 2 hours. There's interchanging head on it. It comes in the box with one of the brush. It is waterproof. This is why there's a case for the battery. And it's supposed to be good for tile, porcelain, granite. There's adapters for brushes that are good for both, so we can test that this summer. In the box we're going to find a 6-inch medium stiffness bristle brush that is included with the tool and the tool itself. The part number for this tool is the P4510. This power scrubber have a rating of IPX7 water resistance. And so you cannot submerge it underwater, but if it gets splashed or anything like this, all your electronic are going to be fine. And there's a nice compartment for your battery. So we're going to install a battery on this one right now. 4 amp hour battery. As you can see, a 4 amp hour battery fit perfectly into this case. So that will keep the moisture away from the battery. Now the switch is an on-off switch. This is fully encased into rubber, so there is no moisture getting into any of your electronic. This is the triangle shape of the tool that will hold your adapter in place. So as you can tell here, they show it lock and unlock, so it'll depend on how you're turning. So your the end of your tool will go underneath those brackets here, and then they turn until they touch that lock at the end. There is a lot of bristle available, different size, some smaller one, some of this size, and some larger one as well, with the soft, medium, or coarse bristle. Now all there's left to do is just spray your glass and test it and see how it goes. This power scrubber did an amazing job removing most of the hard water stain into this glass. Here, we did this area down here compared to how it was at the beginning. You can barely see anything left on that glass. You don't have to hold a button. If you just press it hard, it stays working. But the one thing that I like the most about it is that it's actually waterproof. And so you don't have to worry about splashing the tool at all. It will keep working for you and your battery will stay dry. There's absolutely no moisture that got into this battery compartment. So if you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then I'm going to go and get some of the other adapter, and we're going to clean the boat with this summer, see how it goes. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.